Hello friends, today we see bridge course of 10th subject math. Now in data we have to solve today a test number 1. Mark is 15 and time is 1 hour. Now first question is choose the correct answer from the given answers to the below. म्हणजे खाली काही प्रश्न दिलेले आहेत त्या प्रश्नाचं आन्सर दिलेलं आहे त्याच्यापैकी आपल्याला ते चूज करायचं आहे. नाउ फर्स्ट नंबर इज इफ ए इज इक्वल टू इन ब्रॅकेट ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच मीन्स दिस इज द सेट ए such that the element of this set is in this way, and B is the set such that it consists of the element A, C, E, and C is the set of this element that consists A, E, I, and the set D is G, H, I. Now the question is then which is true from the following? Now first option is C is a subset of A, second is B is subset of A, D is subset of A, and number D is B is subset of D. Now in this case subset means every element of that set is consist of that big element, big set. Now C is subset of A मीन्स म्हणजेच सी चे सर्वचे सर्व इलेमेंट्स ए मध्ये असायला हवेत. बट इन दिस केस ए ई आय दिस आय इलेमेंट इज नॉट इन इलेमेंट दॅट सेट ए, सो दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. नाउ बी इज सबसेट ऑफ ए मीन्स एव्हरी इलेमेंट ऑफ बी इज कन्सिस्ट ऑफ ए, सो बी इज ए सी ई दिस ए सी ई इलेमेंट्स आर ऑल्सो इन सेट ए. Now C is, that is next one, D is subset of A, so in this case also I not in A, and B is, that is B subset of D means B चे सर्व घटक A मध्ये असायला पाहिजेत पण हे A इथं D मध्ये नाही आहे, so this is also wrong. So correct answer is B is subset of A. Now second, if two parallel lines intersect at an intersection, then the angle of one of the angles formed is 40 degree. Then what is the measure of corresponding angles? म्हणजे दोन छेदिकेला एका ट्रान्सफरने जर इंटरसेक्शन केलं असेल आणि त्याच्यापैकी एक अँगल जर 40चा असेल तर त्याचं करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स म्हणजे संगत कोण कितीचा असेल. नाउ दॅट इज करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स आर supplementary angles, so addition of the supplementary angles is 180 degree. Now one is given, so that is 40, so other angle is 140 because 140 plus 40 that is 180, so correct option is 140. Now third one, 2x square minus 5x plus 12, this polynomial write in coefficient form. Coefficient form means only we have to write this coefficient, that is 2 minus 5 plus 12. So correct option is the number A, that is 2 minus 5 12. Now fourth one is if two parallel lines intersect at an intersection, the measure of one angles between the pair of intersection form interior on one side of the transverse is 50 degree, then the measure of अदर इंटेरियर अँगल इज, म्हणजेच छेदिकेने छेदले असता जो इंटरनल अँगल तयार होतात त्याच्यापैकी एक जर 50 डिग्री दिले असेल तर दुसरा त्याच्यात वन साईडला असणारा इंटेरियर अँगल आहे तो कितीचा असेल. नाउ वी नो दॅट द इंटेरियर अँगल्स, दॅट पेअर ऑफ इंटेरियर अँगल इज supplementary, so in this case one is given 50 degree, so other is 180 minus 50, that is 130, so correct option is 130. Now next question, question number 2, solve the following sub questions. when two different lines intersect each other, how many points are there in their intersection? म्हणजे दोन वेगवेगळ्या लाईन एक इंटरसेक्ट होत असतील तर त्याचं पॉईंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन किती असतील? तर आपल्याला माहित आहे की दोन लाईन एकमेकाला छेदत असतील तर त्याचं पॉईंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ओनली 1 पॉइंट्स. दॅट इज वी हॅव टू राईट ओनली 1 पॉइंट. So second is, if the coordinate of point A is -5 and coordinate of point B is 3, then difference, that is distance between point A and B, how much? म्हणजे आपल्याला पॉईंट A आणि B चं डिफरन्स करायचं आहे. सो डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला वी नो, बिगर कोऑर्डिनेट मायनस स्मॉलर कोऑर्डिनेट. सो बिगर कोऑर्डिनेट, that is B coordinate is 3, so 3 minus again -5, so 3 plus 5, answer is 8. So distance between this point A and B is 8. You have to write only one word, that is only 8, because in this case only 1 mark to each question. Third one is, if Q is the center of line segment PR, then and PR is equal to 10 centimeter, then PQ how much? म्हणजे आपल्याला Q हा PR चा मिड पॉईंट असेल आणि PR ची लांबी जर 10 सेंटीमीटर असेल तर PQ किती? तो वी नो बाय मिड पॉईंट फॉर्म्युला इट इज हाफ ऑफ द दॅट सेगमेंट. सो हाफ ऑफ दिस 10 इज 5. सो आन्सर इज 5. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग सब क्वेश्चंस. नंबर 1 इज, in the figure, line RP parallel line MS, means this line RP parallel to line EMS, and line DK means this DK is transversal if angle DHP is equal to 85 degree, that is this angle is 85 degree, then find the measure of following angles. We have to find the measure of these all 4 angles. Now first one is angle RHD. RHD means this RHD. Now we know that this angle and this angle are linear pair angles. Okay. Now linear pair angles and linear measure of these linear pair angles are 180 degree. That is, it is again supplementary angles. So 180 minus 85, we get this angle RTD, that is RHD. So 180 minus 85, that is 95. So RHD means this angle is 95 degree. Now second one is PHG. Now see here, PHG. In this case also, these two angles are linear pair angles. So measure of this PHG is 180 minus 85 is again 95. Now third one is angle HGS. Now see here, where HGS means this angle. So in this case also, HGS means here HGS. Now we see, this is 85, it is 95. So these two angles are again interior angles, and interior angles are supplementary angles. So this is 95. आताच आपण काढला ही 95. So 95, that subtract from 180 because these two angles are supplementary angles. So 180 minus 95, again we get this angle is 85. So HGS is 85. Now last one is MGK. MGK means this angle. Now again we see that MGK and SGH, these angles are opposite angles, and opposite angles are congruent. So this is 85. So these angles are also 85 degree. Now second one, A. Write the set of even prime number between 1 to 25 in roster method. म्हणजे आपल्याला असा संच लिहायचा आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये 1 ते 25 पर्यंत सममुळं असल्या पाहिजेत आणि ते आपल्याला रोस्टर मेथड लिहायचं. तर सममुळं 1 ते 25 पर्यंत सममुळं म्हणजे ज्यांना भाग जात नाही, ओनली वन, that is only two factors and that is even number, so that number is only one, that is 2. So we can write, if I take this set by A, so we can write this A is equal to only one element, that is 2. So this is the roster method. Now B is, if set B is empty set, this is the symbol of empty set, then that is no element in this set, then number of B is equal to how much? Empty set मध्ये किती नंबर असतात, element असतात? There is no elements, so I write only 0 in this case. Number of B is equal to 0. Now third example, simplify 4x square plus 7x minus 1 in second bracket minus x square plus 8x minus 7 plus x square plus 10. Now in this case, you have to write in solution this term as it is, only bracket left, म्हणजे ब्रॅकेट न लिहिता आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे. नाउ टेक दिस मायनस साइन, इनर साइन चेंज, सो दिस प्लस, वी टेक मायनस, अगेन मायनस, अँड दिस इज प्लस, अँड दिस म्हणजे ब्रॅकेट आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. सो वी कॅन राईट दिस आन्सर, 4x स्क्वेअर मायनस x स्क्वेअर मीन्स 3x स्क्वेअर प्लस अगेन x स्क्वेअर मीन्स 4x स्क्वेअर, 7x and this is minus 8x, so only minus x in this case. Now this minus 1 and this minus minus plus 7, so plus 6 plus 10, that is 16. So answer is 4x square minus x plus 16. Now last example, that is fourth, make it simplest form, that is simple form. 3 root 2 plus root 8 minus root 15. In this case, this is a radical sign and this is radicand. This is also radicand. Now in this case, radicand are not same, that is not like term. So we make first it like. Now in this, that is you have to write this 3 root 2 as it is plus, now 8 means 2 into 4, that 2 4 is 8, so again root 4 means I can write this 2 and in the inner side that is 2, means 2 4 is 8, 4 means again write 2, minus 50, root 15 means again 22 is 15, so 25, root 25 means again I can write this 5 outer side. This is the solution. Now this is the like should, so I can write it in bracket, that is 3 plus 2 minus 5 and root 2 is common. So that is 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 5 0, 0 into root 2 means answer is 0. In this way you have to solve this 15 mark test. Thank you.